Luto tayong bulang lang na gulay. Lagay natin tong onion, ginger, and kamatis, and tanlad. Magbulang lang tayo, guys. Hindi, ilalagay ko itong ating kamote. Kamote. Daing. Ayan, daing. Dalawang daing. Yan guys, naglagay ako guys.
Something I smell na like
Bagyo
it.
beans.
Something I smell.
Bagyo beans. May mushroom pala yung guys. May mushroom ako nilagay. May mushroom tayong nilagay guys. Tapos yung daing apat. No? Palambutin muna natin yung gulay. Meron pa tayong malunggay at pichay. Hinarbis ko na sa garden to guys. Oh. Ang bilis na ka-harvest. Nilagay ko ng ating pichay guys. Pichay na maliliit. Baby pachay yung tawag nila. Yan, huli yan nilalagay guys. Guys, ayan. Isang kulo na lang yan guys. Luto na yan guys. Ang ating bulangla, ang daing at mga gulay na halo-halo. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video guys. God bless everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. God bless.